Hi all, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first visit. Um, I'm so glad you can come and look at my video, that you're interested. I hope you'll watch it all the way through, and I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button, and if you really like my videos, please subscribe. I think it's that way. I don't know. The little buttons are somewhere underneath here, where the comments are, and I would really appreciate getting more subscribers. I wanted to share with you a home tour. I mentioned a while back in one of my videos that I wanted to do a tiny home tour. I live in a 400 square foot mobile home, and theoretically that doesn't seem like a lot to keep clean or take care of, but in my case with chronic pain and health issues, I am very limited in what I can do. So I kept waiting for the right day, the day when I had everything clean and everything looking all put away and perfect. But for me, that's not realistic, because I have difficulty. I'm limited with my disabilities and what I can do each day. So I often have to I can do a little bit of cleaning one day and a little bit another day, but unfortunately with 3 animals, things get dirty faster, and I leave a lot of things out for my own convenience. Because of my disabilities, it's easier to have things out and at hand rather than putting them away every day. That's a lot for me. Putting things in and out of cupboards. So I decided I'll just humble down and share with you my home. It's how I live, and it's not the messiest or the dirtiest, but it's not as clean and pristine as I would like it to be. I hope that you're okay with that. I'm doing the best I can with what I have. I'm still working on my lighting situation, trying to get better lighting here. I'm sitting in front of my Mac at the moment. Sometimes with the cell phones and the tablet, I get a little bit better video. But right now, I am just trying to relax a little bit, and just give you a little check-in before I share with you the home tour. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can see that I have done a lot of work on my home over the years. When we first bought the home, it was very back in the 70s. If you can see behind me, the walls are painted. They weren't when I moved in. They were wood paneling, old, ugly. The cabinets above me were all white. I painted that. I added the shelf up here. We added some shelves here, and there's another one in my kitchen. The cat shelf there. So a lot was changed, and I've done a lot of creative work in and around the house, and so I want to share all that with you. Before I got injured and before I had my disabilities, I was able to do a lot more tiling and painting, and I could keep my house pristinely clean every day. I was kind of neurotic about cleaning, and I still am, so I have to try not to beat myself up for days that I can't do a lot. And there's a lot of those days, unfortunately. So I hope that you enjoy the video and maybe get some ideas if you live in an old little mobile home or a tiny home and anything you see works for you, and you want to ask questions about how I did it. I'd be happy to answer those. If not, I hope you just enjoy watching, and my pets should be in there, here and there, so there's a few little cute Pawsom moments in the video as well, and I will see you soon. So here is the beginning of my home. As I walk up to it, this is what you see walking up to the front of my house. So this is the side of my home, and as you'll see, there are a lot of plants, all of those that I had planted when I first moved in, or most of them. And those palm trees used to be these small, maybe 4 feet tall. And now we're walking around to the back. And again, I have a lot of plants, and you saw my minivan camper that I love to go camping in. Sitting there waiting for errands, or preferably camping, but right now, errands. I planted this jasmine, which isn't flowering this year for some reason. And these other plants are doing well. They're doing well, they're growing well, but they're not all flowering except these other ones that are growing kind of wild. So hopefully next year or later this year, maybe I'll get some jasmine flowers off of this one. And I have some cleaning up to do back here. But that will have to wait until I get some help, because my friend who usually helps me is having her own issues going on. She hasn't been as available. I'm hoping that changes soon. Hopefully I can do another video with it all cleaned up. So now I'm walking up to the patio side of my front area. There's my front door, and there's my gate, and there's the bench that my ex-husband and I built together out of pallets. It was fun. And this is a little area I like to hang out in sometimes. And it's a little challenging trying to take care of this garden now, but I do my best. I did add a new plant, this little hibiscus, which is doing great, and I'm glad because it's beautiful, and I like to use the flowers for tea when they start wilting. And my gate that I mosaicked, and an extra piece I added there. A little look inside my catio. I have it all enclosed for the animals, mostly for the cats to stay in and stay safe. And there's the puppers, and I'm still working out the how to adjust this new iPhone that I just got. So still working with learning how to take better videos. And there's the puppers. And there's some more of my plants. My front porch. Little jewels I put on my railing. Little decoration. I need to fix those lights. They fell down a little bit. Another piece of mosaic in the back there. And more plants. Little chair my mom made. And I worked on these. I made these mosaic tiles for the front of the steps. And there's a screen door my mom and I made because they don't sell them. And this is my front living room. Front room, living room. I like to do art and This is my cozy little, slightly cluttered setup here. And there's the screen again. They don't make screen doors like this for mobile homes anymore, so, and I couldn't find one, so we made one. There's Sparkle, sound asleep. Look at her sleeping so soundly. Sparkle, wake up. She's not gonna wake up. She's dreaming. Look at her little paw and her eyes. She's having a dream. We'll let her go back to dreaming. Here's my little kitchen. Here's my office, where I do a lot of this from. Videos. My kitchen. My kids and grandkids. And there's some more mosaic tile that I did when I moved in. And I did the tile counters. And I did the bathroom counter. And the wallpaper. Here's my bedroom. And it has pretty much everything that I need in here. All handy for me. It's a little cluttered, but it's everything where I need it. Easy to reach. And I have a little bit of a mess. I'm getting ready to go on another trip in my minivan camper. And here's my backyard, the other side of the patio. And obviously I'm hanging laundry. So I hope you enjoyed my video. And I hope you will check in and look at some of my other videos. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. If you are, thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. And I try to give useful content. Can't find my words. That would help with useful content if I could find my words. I was going to edit this out, but you know, this is reality of YouTubing, that you make mistakes and just move past it, keep going. So I hope you enjoyed the videos, and I hope you're following along, and you can see that I am still struggling to learn how to do this. It's challenging. I'm watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to be a YouTube creator, and I'm learning how to find better equipment. I'm learning how to take better videos. This is challenging. It's not easy, and I don't want to pretend that it is. So as you can see, my videos might be getting, better, a little better incrementally, like each video is like a little better maybe. I don't know. Nobody's giving me comments or questions to help me with feedback. That would be really helpful to get feedback from you guys, because it would help me to know where I could tweak what I'm doing. I'm on a limited budget. Part of my videos is about being on a tiny budget. So I'm in a tiny home, living on a tiny budget, struggling to do the best that I can. So thank you if you've been bearing with me on my videos. I appreciate that. It's not easy. But I want to give out helpful information, helpful stuff about saving money and being budget friendly and being frugal and helping the environment and cute animals, because I have some cute pets. You can check out those videos. Some of them are shorts if you don't want to watch a long video. I've got some cute shorts on the kitty and the dogs. I've got van life videos, minivan camping, I'm a part-timer because obviously I have a home base, but I do the tiny home to tiny camper kind of thing, and I go out on little adventures, and I would love to continue sharing those with you, and I hope those will be entertaining and helpful. And I do some cooking, budget-friendly meals. As a person with chronic pain and disabilities, I have had to work hard to challenge myself to learn how to arrange my home in a way that is helpful to me, and to cook meals in a way that's helpful to me, and to pace myself in a way that I'm still taking care of myself, at the same time as trying to help other people when I can. So I hope that you will see that in my videos. And again, thank you for taking interest in my video, and if you've made it this far, I really appreciate you watching them all the way through. That really helps support my channel, as well as subscribing. So please become a subscriber if you're not already, and thank you very much if you are. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. I want to do more content on things people are interested in. So again, leave me a comment or question, and I'd be happy to answer them or do a video. Like I mentioned, most of my videos are on frugal living and van life, and so I have sort of a hodgepodge of content depending on what people like. I do have a minivan that I camp in, so I'll be doing more videos hopefully soon on that. I'm a little bit grounded while I wait for my granddaughter to come. But I will be doing a road trip to Sacramento here in the next couple of weeks, so I'll try to show that. And I do budget-friendly meals, tips and tricks on how to create healthy, even with organics and natural foods and whole foods. You can do some great budget-friendly meals, and I'll be sharing more of those. I will have tips and tricks on how to be frugal and how to look for great deals at thrift stores and other yard sales and other places like that. So stay tuned for more content with helpful information and anything that people show interest in wanting to know. I'm also a certified health coach, and I have a health coaching site that I am currently building. So if you're interested in that, hop on over to Relief Naturally at WordPress.com. Find me there, and I'd be happy to answer questions there about that. And I also have a personal webpage at WordPress.com. It's Unique147 at WordPress.com, so you can go there and see poetry and some like story journaling that I've done over the years. I used to be embarrassed to share this stuff, but I realize with some people who have told me that it's helped them, that I should share it and show people what other kinds of things they could do with their energy, and how to be creative in other ways. So stay tuned and check out my other websites, and I will see you in the next video.